Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a what's in my bag video. If you guys have not already, check out my previous video of me unboxing this particular bag. And of course, it is the Graham Pack signature canvas bag that I recently just purchased from Coach. Guys, I love this bag. Of course, very versatile, can be paired with many different outfits for many different occasions. I love this bag because it is a great size. You can fit almost anything. I know for me, sometimes typically the bigger the bag, the more stuff I like to put in there. But of course, you need your essentials for your purses or your bags. So without further ado, I'm gonna let you guys know what I carry in this bag. Love this bag because it has the two compartments. It has a smaller one and then the bigger one as well, so you can fit plenty of items in this bag. So without further ado, let me show you guys what I got in my bag. So in the first compartment, which is the first zipper, you unzip it. The first thing I have is this little wake up makeup little small pouch. I think I got this from the dollar store, but I love this little nice little zip-on bag. And then in this bag, I typically try to do my makeup before I leave the house, but of course you always got to brush up, spruce up when you're a influencer, when you're taking pictures, or if you're out. I know that I have oily skin, so I try to carry a powder or something with me. So inside of this bag I have some extra powder, and then I have a brush, and then I do have some mascara. I think this is the e.l.f. mascara, and then I have a Fit Me little powder. So that's all that I carry in this little particular pouch. Very essential for our women. Prevent oily skin, carry a little pouch. So this is the first item I carry in my small bag. And then of course some lotion, moisturizer lotion. Can't be ashy, gotta carry your lotion around, so I have a little lotion in here as well. And then I have a lip gloss. Can't have dry lips. I typically use a lip gloss like if I'm out at like an event or something, but if not, I'll carry a basic chapstick. So I have a Blistex little extra chapstick, so your lip gloss and your basic chapstick. I like Blistex better because I feel like Carmex dries my lips out, so I carry a lip balm as well. The next item I have is a hand sanitizer. This is from Bath and Body Works. We are still in a pandemic, so guys, carry your hand sanitizer, wash your hands, do what you need to do to protect yourself. So I do have a hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. And then I have a extra mirror that I carry. My compartment for my powder has a mirror on it, but of course you always got to have like an extra smaller mirror. So I have a mirror in there as well. And then I have a hair tie. Always got to carry an extra hair tie. And then of course I have two sprays. I don't like carrying my full bottle of spray, but I carry a smaller one as well. So this one is that Dossier perfume that I showed you guys in a couple of videos ago. It came with the smaller one, miniature one, and this is the Floral Jasmine in the Dossier. And then I also have this Gucci one as well. This is the Gucci Bamboo, so I can alternate on my sprays. So these are the two sprays that I carry inside of this small bag. So guys, that is it for my first compartment. Very much simple essentials that you guys need when you're carrying your bags or your purse. So now we're gonna move on to the bigger side. So in my bigger side, the first thing I'm going to pull out is some hand sanitizing wipes. Again, we are still in the pandemic, so make sure you're cleaning your hands. So I carry some hand sanitizing wipes. And then I do carry like an emergency little small kit just in case. It has like band-aids. This one is the Johnson & Johnson, just a little carrying case that I have with band-aids and stuff in it. And then of course I have my headphones, to go for my phone. And guys, I don't keep my phone in here or my keys. For me, I typically keep my keys like on my dresser or something where I can visually see them, because I'm a grab and go. I need to know where my keys is, not digging through bags and all of that. So my keys are on my dresser with my phone, and I just kind of grab and go. So the next item I carry is a comb. Gotta make sure you straight wherever you're going. Make sure your hair is straight. So I keep an extra wide tooth little skinny comb. And then I have this little notebook that it's just like a blank little notebook. I keep notes and little things I need to get if I need to make a list to go to the grocery store or something like that. And then this one comes with a pen as well. I think I grabbed this from like the Dollar Tree or something like that. So very much essential for your notes and your whatever you need to jot down at that particular moment. I keep this in the bag. And then of course we are in a pandemic, so I have 2 little extra masks in here as well. 2 little masks. And then also I have a pair of sunglasses in here. Just one of my Shein pair of sunglasses. Sometimes I'll switch them out depending on what my outfit is. So right now I just have that Shein pair of sunglasses. These are currently what's in my purse for right now. I might switch out maybe later on this week or something like this. Just kind of switch out. So that very much, you know, secluded in the box. And then I'll keep some gum. Gotta have fresh breath, keep gum. And then I do have some candy in the bag as well. I don't eat a lot of candy, but it's good to have something you want to pop in your mouth to have. So that is pretty much it. And then this bag has a zipper in there. So for this particular bag, I don't like carrying a wallet because I feel like if I carry a wallet, I'll have so much stuff in there. I have change, I have everything. So for this particular bag, it has a zip in it. So I typically just keep my license and my cards and stuff inside of that zip bag, so I don't have to carry a wallet. So I love this bag very, very much so, enough for what I have. I don't need to put anything extra in it. This is typically the essentials when I'm going out and about. That is pretty much all that I need when I'm going out. So if you guys like what you see, continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see down in the comments below in the upcoming videos. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.